I put Alex Hormozi in Notion. Now you can do the same with any author you want to have access to. So you don't ask a general chatbot for advice anymore. You work on selected knowledge. And then the AI hops in the role of the experts you want and helps you with captured knowledge. So in this video, I want to show you how this works and how to use it in Notion and in Claude. For those who don't know me, my name is Lear and I've spent over 5,000 hours in Notion. Now first, let's address the elephant in the room. The first thing that we have here is we have two databases. One of them is the knowledge database, which holds the books and in there the book notes. And one is the skills database that holds the skills. A skill is a set of instructions to load on demand to perform a specific task well. An example would be, for example, a prompt to reformat text into a specific format. So instead of prompting the AI every single time, just store the prompt as a skill and then next time only mention this skill. By the way, if you want to get this whole system, as it says here, this is available in the video description down below. Now, let me show you these two databases. The first one I want to show you is the skills database. And here you can see we have one entry. For every entry, we have a name, then the description, we have a status, and we have an owner, so whose skill this is. Then I added some views that could be useful, for example, a pipeline view, a by owner view, active skills, archived skills, a general gallery view. So all views that could be beneficial if you want to build a full dashboard or a system around it. Then in every entry here, now we only have one, in the body, you can see I wrote out this skill. So this is the description of what this skill will do every single time. Now you can pause the video and read through this. And as I just said, it's available in the video description down below if you also want to get this skill. Now let me show you the second database, the knowledge database. Now here I have all the three books of Alex Hormozi with a status, an author, which is him all the time, and a type, a select property with different options for the different books. Then last but not least, I added a random book. So this is not a real book. Author is not Alex Hormozi. The type is authors. And here you can see I don't put notes for all the chapters in here. Actually here I haven't added any, and here only for the first chapter. But here are 4 things from the first chapter which I wrote out, which are useful for me. And here in the random book, I just wrote down 3 things to counter this. And by doing this, later, if I ask the AI via the skill to help me craft an offer, I can better show you what was used. So if I later say, for example, I only want you to hop in the role of Alex Hormozi and only use this book, and I get answers, you can see more clearly that only notes from this book got used and not from this one. Because if I say via the skill only this, none of this will show up, even though it is offer related and we later want to ask based on offer creation. So this is not a real book. This is just 3 random notes to counter what is in here, so the opposite or something different. And here for simplicity, I just added the first chapter with 4 notes so we can later better prove if really only this was used. But if you get this system and you want to use the knowledge base, you could of course add other books in here and also add notes, your personal notes for these books. Now here again, I also added some useful views that you can also further manipulate if you want, but this should be it so you understand the databases. If you want to learn more about skills, watch this video that I link over here. So now that you know the databases, you know what skills are. Before we move on, let me show you in the settings where you could also like system natively add a skill. I can at any time reference this page normally with an add mention, but there is also a section in the settings so skills show up separately here. Because if I go down here and I write add, you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are skills. And this page, personal expert, doesn't show up here. So I need to go into the settings, and here I need to go to Notion AI, scroll all the way down, and here I can then add a skill. So it also shows up in the menu. And here click on add skill. Then I can select personal expert. And now I can click off the settings. And if I go into my agent down here and write add again, it also shows up here. So this just as a little side note. This way we don't have to prompt every single time. We just can say add personal expert and then access the prompt. Now that we are here, let's actually put this into test. In a second, we will also do this in Claude. So write add, select personal expert, and now either send this off and then the agent will ask you for books or topics. Or what I want to do now is I want to instantly additionally tell him the books and the topic. So I use the skill and say I want to use the $100 million offer book and the topic is offer. So now I can send this off. The agent starts working and you can see it says logged in on $100 million offers by Alex Hormozi. Topic is offers. You can also see here from which page the agent got this. And then it says one optional ad I'd suggest, since it's also tagged offers, random book, want me to include it. Now I can say no. But if you, for example, have a topic and the agent suggests other books and you think they are beneficial, you can also add them here. And now I can say understood. Using only $100 million offers, what's your question on offers? And then I can say how to craft a good offer and what to keep in mind. Now this is very simple. This is just a showcase on how this works on the most basic level. Now we can send this off and we can see here's what it captured. Make the offer so good they'd feel stupid to say no. This is from the $100 million offer book. Know what an offer actually is. Also from the book. Keep in mind the real problems, also from the book, and don't compete on price, also from the book. So everything that we got in terms of offers is really from the book, from Alex Hormozi, and not from the random book. And now it says that, of course, there are only notes from the first chapter, and this book has more chapters. This is why it says if it should only stick to the points or even go beyond that. Now you can say, I don't want to do that. And if you have like the full book, you have way more knowledge available. And that's basically it for Notion. Now let's do the same from Claude. Now here in Claude, important is that the MCP connection is there. Otherwise, Claude can't access the skill from your Notion workspace. And then if the MCP connection is there, I can just say load my skill, personal expert. And then here again, I can say what books and what topic. So I wrote this out and now I can send this off. Now, one important thing that I just did is while the agent is working here, you need to write load my Notion skill, because here in Claude, you also have Claude native skills. So you need to say Notion skill, and then the agent will go and look inside your Notion workspace. Now you can see it says I could add these books, but I don't want to do this. So ask, do you want to add one of this? And what's your first question? Now I can say, no, I don't want to add any other book. And my question is how to craft an offer and what to keep in mind. With that being said, let's click on send. Now I got an answer and it says working only from the $100 million offers books. Then we have the first note, know what an offer even is. set the bar. So could they feel stupid to say no? Keep the real goal in view. So this is the point where the note said most entrepreneurs suffer from too few clients or too little cash. And then what to keep in mind is don't compete on price. So these are the 4 points. This is perfect. Now down here, there is some recommendation, like for example, there is too less information on actually how, because I only have 1 chapter and so on. But the core thing, which I wanted, only the 4 points from the offer book and nothing else. This is what I got. So this also works perfectly inside of Claude. So now you know how to literally get an author by your side in Notion or Claude. If the part in Claude was a bit unclear, watch this video over here. There I will walk you through this more in depth. Stay consistent. See you next time.